How to pay Celcom bill via Maybank2u. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay the Celcom bill via Maybank2u. Start by logging in to Maybank2u on your mobile device or the website with your credentials. Next, navigate to the Pay and Transfer tab or look for bill payment from the main menu. Then, if Celcom is not listed among your preset payees, you need to add it. Now choose the option to add new payee or add bill and search for Celcom in the list of billers. Next, enter your Celcom account number and any other required details, such as your name or reference number, and verify the information for accuracy. After that, specify the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the full amount or a partial amount of your bill. After that, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the payee and the payment amount, and then confirm the transaction. Next, follow the prompts to complete the payment. You may be required to enter an OTP sent to your registered mobile number for verification. Finally, you will receive a confirmation message and receipt after the payment is processed. Save or print this for your records. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can contact Maybank's customer support or Celcom's customer service. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.